Cheap roofing options might be tempting, especially when budgets are tight. But this bargain could end up costing you more in the long run. Lower costing roofs often use subpar materials that are more susceptible to damage from weather and time. This means they might not withstand severe weather conditions, leading to frequent repairs or even a complete overhaul sooner than expected. Next, there's cheap labor. Cheap roofing often goes hand in hand with rushed and inexperienced installation teams. This can result in a multitude of errors, leading to leaks and structural damage that could cost thousands to rectify. It's time to shine a light on a superior alternative that not only addresses those concerns, but has far-reaching benefits. And I'm talking about energy-efficient metal roofing. Let's break down why an investment in a Gator Metal Roof is a smart choice for homeowners.